Abbreviations. Today is mean today. 2 means too much to handle. Tomorrow mean tomorrow. Tonight mean tonight. Double AF means as a friend. Double AR means at any rate. ACK mean acknowledge. ADIH means another day in hell. ADR means address. AIC mean as far as I am concerned. AIK mean as far as I know. AKA mean also known as. AMA mean ask me anything. AML mean all my love. ASAP mean as soon as possible. ATB mean all the best. ATM mean at the moment. BC mean because, before, before, and mean by far no. BBT mean be back tomorrow. BD mean big deal. BF mean best friend. BFF mean best friend forever. BRB mean be right back. BRO brother. BT